I'm Milana, and I'm full-time head of customer support in gambling industry company, and I also work as a freelance data analyst. I was working as a customer support agent for 2 years, and I started feeling it's time for a change. And as a customer support, we had some Excel work to do, and I wanted it organized. That's how I got interested in data. I wanted to learn how to organize and automate sheets. One day, my colleague Alexander came to me and said, "Hey, I found great Excel course, some guy named Chris. You can find it on Udemy." And from the moment I saw first couple of videos, I got hooked. So as I was learning, I was applying it to our sheets, and I could see the power of Excel and power of data. And it was nice to see all data becoming then information. From Udemy, I found about Maven Analytics platform, and it had all I needed. First of all, Learning Paths. Learning Path was what I needed the most. And along the skill assessments and all the courses, Maven Analytics have everything person needs to dive into the world of data. I realized I wanted to work more with data, so I started applying for a freelance job. I was taking my first course on Maven Analytics when I landed first job as a data analyst. What was needed to get that job done, I learned a day before job was posted on Maven Analytics. At the moment, I work as a head of customer support. I'm part of planned and analysis department at the same company. As well, I'm a freelance data analyst with long-term clients. I love both of my jobs, and I have an option to choose what I want to do, and that makes a big difference. It's not the same when you have to keep some job and when you want to work that same job. So that's where Maven Analytics helped me to learn new skills, to apply them, and to choose what I want to do.